Hey guys, showing you this hand wave under cabinet light. It's a 16-inch under counter or under cabinet lighting with a dimmable and 4000K natural white light. So this is plug and play, and you can see comes in nice box. This is the opening protective covering. So this is a plug and play, and you can put it anywhere you want. So this is a nice build here. I can see I'm just taking out this wire so that I can plug it in. So as this is a wave, so you see if you come this sensor and wave it, it will just turn on. This is the hooks that comes with it. You can attach it under the cabinet as I show in the corner. And you just cover this sensor and the dimmable and everything you can control from here. So this is all about this the thing. So it's hand wave activated, and wave your hand under the IR sensor once to turn the light on or off. And you can put it under cabinet, under almirah, or wherever you want, or you have this electric plug. So it's a nice plaything, very nice bright white light, and nice piece of light that you can use anywhere you want. And the light will remember the brightness until you adjust it again, so you can just keep this thing off. And the manual have all the details to set this up as I mentioned it. Hope you like it.